Hello everyone and welcome. Just a short video today. One quick question. Okay, just a short video today because I have a small update. Today is the I totally forgot. Let me just check because this is okay. So today is the 25th of November, and as you can tell, because I'm already telling you the date, I still don't have any windows. The guy was supposed to finish the project today, and while I was driving to the location to meet him to open up, I get a message because I didn't see it for an hour because I was driving, and I get a message. Oh, we're not coming today because it's raining. And I go like, are you fucking kidding me? And after we finished what we came to do, which was plant some more trees and do a little work on my end on the barbecue, I'll show you in just a second. Right after I end this video, we are driving straight to the police and filing a complaint. We already have 2 complaints against him to the Consumer Protection Agency, and that have not been solved in any way. And I am sick and tired. I'm going straight to the police. This is beyond insane. 4 and change months since we were supposed to get these things. Anyway, let me just show you something. I put it up. I promised I would show you. So there you go. It's the chimney is up. It covers the entire cooking area. Everywhere there'll be fire or cooking, and it's gonna go up there. I don't know how to make the chimney go up through the roof. That's why I'm going to get the specialist for that. And I'm already hearing you guys. This is supposed to be a DUI, and you're supposed to get do it all yourself. The problem with the roofing is that it's wavy, and I'm not particularly experienced enough to make the watertight seal. So that's why I'm going to try and find a specialist. When I'll do that, I don't know, because winter is coming and we'll probably need that in the spring. So we'll see how I get that sorted out. All right, wish me luck with the police, and sorry for the very, very short video, just a very small update, and you were spared the rant on my end. All right, I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I will have some good news regarding my windows. All right, bye bye, see you later.